folks, I have a 5-string banjo to show you today, number 802, and it's made of cherry and pistachio. So it's an 11-inch all-wood rim. It's got some beautiful cherry with just this pistachio rim cap on here. Goatskin head with non-steel strings. Pistachio fretboard and head plate. And then the neck is really cool. It's some lightly curly cherry with some curly walnut stripes. It's a cool look. Yeah, so 11-inch wood rim, non-steel strings. It's a good sound, and cherry is just nice. It's like plenty loud, but not too bright. And I like how the low strings on a cherry banjo have like a little growl to them. It feels good. Yeah, it's cool. It's got like a dark, rich sound, but it's still present and bright. It's pretty cool. This is number 802. It's for a customer in Portland, so they can come and get it instead of having to ship a banjo for once, which is pretty nice. And this should be my last instrument for May. Cheers.